Today we are working on Jasper Active Word Lesson 3, the sixth and final lesson, Organizing List Information. I have my instructions down at the bottom now. I'm just going to try that on this one just to show you a different perspective of how you can do things. So let's try it and see. So you see that we've got 6 different steps in this one. So with the HR training document open, ensure the cursor is in the training seminar title. And on the home tab in the styles group, click heading 1 in the quick styles gallery. Select the coaching profile or coaching files and the project headings and apply the heading 2 style. So I'm going to select coaching files. I'm going to hold down the control key, select project, and then heading 2. I was looking for my box mark as answered. It's right there. So go to step 2. Select the first 4 points under coaching, starting from reaching out to negotiation skills. And on the home tab in the paragraph group, click the bullets. So that bullets is right here. So let's click that. Notice that Word applies a bullet to the last point even though there was a blank line between the last 2 points. You can choose to delete the blank line. In this case, we're going to leave it as it is. Go to step 3. Select the items under the project heading from measures to storyboard and click numbering. So from measures to storyboard, and right up here we're going to click numbering. Next step says select the first line with the dash. So this line right here is talking about. And click the arrow on the bullets button. Then click the solid bullet symbol, which is this one. Word applies the bullet at the same indent position, which is where that was before. Click the arrow for bullets, and then click Define New Bullet. Click the symbol, and click the arrow for font. And scroll on the list and click Wingdings, and it gives you a hint to move quickly. Type the first character of the font's name. So if I type W, it starts with the W's. Click Wingdings. Click an arrow style that points to the right. So I'm going to click, let's see, I'm going to just click this one. Click OK. And then OK. On the ruler, drag the left indent marker so the bullet aligns with the first character in initiatives. So I'm just going to go right up here and I'm going to click and drag that over there to where it's in line with that first character in initiatives. Click in the second line with the dash bullet and press Ctrl Y. Supposed to move over. Notice how Word only changes an indent on this line. If you want the point to have all the same options, use the Format Painter instead. So click anywhere in the bullet with the arrow bullet. Click the Home tab and click Format Painter. And then click on this line. And you see that it moved it over. So let's mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select the 3 lines below the benchmarks diagram. From there as always to task. So we're going to select these 3 lines. With the bullets still selected, then it says click bullets. With the bullet still selected, click the arrow for the bullets button and then click solid bullet. So click here and solid. Use the decrease indent button to move the bullets to the left margin. When the bullets change to a numbered list, click the bullets button again. So here's your decrease indent, and we click that, and that moves it over to the left margin, and click the bullets thing again to change it back to bullets. Mark that as answered. Scroll in the document until you're on page 2 and select the 4 lines starting from direct to outcome only. So these 4 lines right here. Select those 4 lines. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click Numbering. So I'm going to click Numbering right there. If the numbering does not start at 1, click the Autocorrect Options button to the left of item 6, and then click Restart Numbering. So you notice that mine started with 6, so it's saying click this button right here, and then click Restart Numbering, and it restarted it at 1. Select the 3 points below the different levels of initiative text. So it says select these 3. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click Numbering. Suppose you realize the numbering should be a separate list from the previous numbered list. With the 3 points still selected, click the arrow for numbering and click Set Numbering Value. So right up here, click that arrow, Set Numbering Value. Click Start New List if necessary, so it should be right here on that. Click in the Set To Value field and change this to 1. So we want that to be 1, and then click OK. And you see that it started that to 1, 2, and 3. With the 3 points still selected, click the arrow for numbering and click Define New Number Format. Define New Number Format. Click the arrow for number style. And we're going to click the one that starts with the lowercase I, which is that one right there. And then click OK. And you see that it changed those to that format. And you see that this is what it should look like. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Step 6, open the Building a Motto Airplane document from your Resources folder. So click File and then Open. Go to your Resources and Building a Model Airplane. Press Control End, E-N-D, and that moves you to the end of the document. Press Tab and type Build each group separately. Press Enter. Press Tab twice. Type Allow to Dry Complete before attaching anything else. Press Enter. Press Tab. Type Assemble each portion. Together per manual. Press Enter. Select each line of text. So we're going to select those 3 lines. It says select each line of text. I wonder if it's saying all of them. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click Multi-Level List. So right here is your multi-level list. Click the 1AI style. This one right here. Click anywhere in the open box line. In the paragraph group, click the Decrease Indent button. So this button right here is Decrease Indent. Notice Word promoted this line to the same level as the one purchase model kit line. Click undo in the quick access toolbar to reverse that. Select the 3 points below the purchase line. Select these 3 points. On the ruler, grab the left indent marker and drag it to the left so the first line indent marker aligns with the P in purchase. So we're going to click and we're going to drag this to there. Select points A, B, and C only. Below the 2. I don't have a A, B, and a C. Oh. Okay. Control Y, and that repeats the last action. Click in line I, allow to dry, and click the decrease indent button. If word changes the bullet to a C for numbering, click the down arrow for numbering. And yeah, I didn't do something right. I'm going to submit it. Well, it says I did. If you follow along with me, even though mine didn't say the same thing as these, evidently it says we did it correctly. So if you did like I did and you got them all green, good job. If not, if you need to go back and redo that last step, you can do that. But this completes lesson 3.